Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all to another set of videos which is related to Saturn transit. So there are two versions as per the Saturn transit is concerned. There are two Panchangam. One as per Trikanita Panchangam, the Saturn transit is already completed on 24th of January 2020, and as per the Vakya Panchanga, the Saturn transit is going to take place on 26th of December 2020, which is on a Saturday, auspicious day. In this video, we will be seeing each and every zodiac sign, the impact of the Saturn transit. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, keep this subscribed so that you will receive my instant updates. Also, if you like this video, give a like and share with your friends and group. Generally, Saturn transit takes place once in every 2.5 years. In some cases, it may take even 3 years. For the present scenario, it already took 3 years time to get the transition. So this time, in the year 2020, Saturn is moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn to be his own house, and it is going to be a ruler there. You can see as per the Trikanita Panchanga, planetary positions during the 24th of January 2020 is being shown here. As per the Trikanita Panchanga, where the Saturn transit already took place on 24th of January 2020, during that time, we could see the Saturn being a ruler there in Capricorn. Along with Saturn, you could see Sun, the Mercury and Moon are together. And in Sagittarius, you could see the Jupiter is being a ruler there, along with Ketu. On Scorpio, you could see the Mars being a ruler there. On Aquarius, you could see the Venus, and at Gemini, you could see the Rahu being seated there. So this is the planetary position as per the Trikanita Panchanga during the 24th of January 2020, when actually the Saturn transit took place. Now we will see on the coming December 26, 2020, as per the Vakya Panchanga. This is as per the temples. See, in most of the South Indian temples, they follow the Vakya Panchanga, and they will do all the archanas and abhishekas on this particular day, which is considered to be the most auspicious, and we could see the planetary position on that particular day. On 26th of December 2020, you could see the planetary position where in Aries, the Moon and Mars are together, where the Mars is a ruler there, and in the second house in Taurus, Rahu being there. Scorpio, you could see Ketu is there seated along with Venus, and in Sagittarius you have the Sun and the Mercury, and in Capricorn you could see the Saturn being ruler there, along with Saturn. Jupiter is also being seated there. So this is the position of the planets during that particular period. So in the upcoming the Saturn's transit, as per the Vakya Panchanga, you could see the all planets are within the Rahu Ketu's limits. So we call this as a Kala Sarpa Dosha. This particular Saturn transit is going to take place on a particular day where the entire planetary positions are within the Rahu Ketu's control. So it may be even some dangerous positions also, where there are some good things as well as some bad things happen, because all the powers are being absorbed by the Rahu Ketu when the complete planets are on particular one side. So generally we call this as a Kala Sarpa Dosha. So this is the time when the Saturn actually is moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn. This particular Saturn transit, two zodiac signs feel better. One particular zodiac sign being Scorpio, where the 7.5 Saturn period is getting over once the Saturn moves away from Sagittarius to Capricorn. The other zodiac sign being Taurus, where Saturn being in the 8th house so far is moving to the 9th house. So this seems to be a better place for the Taurus. But unfortunately for Gemini, this Saturn transit is not so favorable, as Saturn comes and sits on the 8th house. But generally for Gemini, Saturn is always a ruler at the 8th house, and it also occupies the 9th house. Somewhat Sagittarius zodiac sign, they feel happy because they are coming to the last fag end of the 7.5 period of Saturn. So they are coming to the last 2.5 years, where the Saturn will not give much bad effects because it had already given much bad influence on the first 5 years. So this seems to be a better period for Sagittarius. For Capricorn as well as Aquarius, they are falling under the 7.5 period of Saturn. Fortunately for these two zodiac signs, Saturn being the ruler and it occupies its own house, it will not give much harm or much bad effect when compared to other zodiac signs. So comparatively it is better for them, like a school teacher giving punishment to others rather than not giving much punishment to their own children. So this is the concept where the Saturn will not give much of trouble to the own zodiac sign. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign, right from Aries to Pisces, what are the benefits out of this Saturn's transit. Cancer, the fourth zodiac sign. For Cancer, this Saturn movement seems to be somewhat better as Saturn moves away from 6th house to the 7th house. Generally, if Saturn is there on the 7th house, there will be a delay in the marriage, and people who are doing business, there will be some problems in the business. But specifically for Cancer, the 7th house being Capricorn and Saturn being a ruler there, this issue will not exist because Saturn occupying its own house and aspecting the zodiac sign directly. So there are chances, for some people there are chances they may get married quickly, and of course for some people who are having a different zodiac sign or different ascendant with Cancer as a zodiac sign, there are chances that there may be some issues or in delay in the marriage. But for those who are having either ascendant or zodiac sign associated with Saturn's houses or something related to the relatively friendship houses for Saturn, there are chances they may get a good married life, and so far the pending issues will get reduced. For those who are doing business, there are chances they may get very good business out of which they can earn a good profit. Some may expand their business, even they can expand their business in outside countries. So there are chances that some people, there are new ventures, they may enter into new ventures and establish their business very well. But here the problem is for the zodiac sign Cancer, 9th and 4th houses are being aspected by the Saturn directly. So there are chances for some people the parents' health issues may exist. There may be conflict with the parents and the children. There may be frequent treatment issues. The parents may get ill, or the parents' family, or father's side and mother's side, there may be conflict with these people. So they should be very careful in dealing with them. For some, there are chances they may lose some assets also. This 4th house being representing the fixed assets. Libra, where the Saturn is getting its maximum power, it excels at the Libra's place. So if for those who are doing justice, if they do a proper business, if the fixed assets are very good and they don't cheat others, then there are chances they may get this assets in a very good way. To take away the properties in an illegal way, it will not give a good results. Also for the 9th house, there are chances of some people who are really justice, who are doing very good business and they are very honest. There are chances they may get some good luck. But for those who are trying to cheat others, they won't get good luck during this time. Children might study well. At the same time, for the people who are doing higher educations, they need to do some hard work, otherwise they will not get into a good colleges. Marriage life and business life are equally good for those in the zodiac sign Cancer. For those who are looking for new job opportunities, there are chances after the month of April 2021, they may get into a very good job assignments. Some may take the father's profession and try to establish their own business. Not only the Saturn's movement, you could see the Rahu Ketu's transit as well as the Jupiter transit seems to be very beneficial. When we consider all these planetary movements, we could say for the zodiac sign Cancer, they may get some very good prospects. We can expect up to 80 to 85% good results.